Hi, everyone, welcome to our exciting unboxing experience. Today, we have something truly remarkable to unveil. The brand new state-of-the-art DOOGEE N50 Pro smartphone. This device is packed with cutting-edge features that will revolutionize your digital experience. Without further ado, let's dive into the unboxing. As you can see, the packaging is sleek and elegant, reflecting the quality of what lies inside. Let's remove the sealing tape and open it up. Here it is, the star of the show. Look at its stunning design, the slim profile, and the premium build quality. You can already tell this is a device that exudes sophistication. It is ultra lightweight and won't hold you back, making it perfect for those who are always on the go. See what else we have in the box. Inside, we find some essential accessories. Here we have the 18W charger, charging cable, TP protective film, SIM card removal needle, TPU protective case, user manual, and a warranty card. With this, you'll be able to keep your phone powered up and ready for action.